Every car owner knows that driving with too little engine oil can ruin the engine, but not everyone realizes that too much oil can also cause problems. When topping up oil, it's easy to accidentally overfill if you're unsure how much to add to reach the max mark on the dipstick. If you put too much oil in the engine, it's important to know what to do and understand the potential damage it can cause if ignored. This video explains what happens when the engine has too much oil and provides steps to address the issue. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Adding too much oil to your car engine can cause serious problems. If the oil level is only slightly above the maximum mark, you don't need to worry. However, if it's overfilled by about 0.2 inches or more, you should drain some oil to avoid damage. The engine oil reserve is designed to handle slight expansions due to heat, so adding up to half a quart extra is usually safe. Anything beyond that can harm the engine. When there's too much oil, it reaches the crankshaft. As the crankshaft spins at high speed, it mixes the oil with air, creating foam. Foamy oil doesn't lubricate properly and can't be pumped effectively. Over time, this lack of lubrication can cause the engine to seize up due to a weak oil pump. Overfilling your car's engine oil can lead to several problems. When the oil level is too high, the crankshaft can spin through it, causing the oil to foam. This foamy oil contains air bubbles, which make it a poor lubricant and can harm the engine. Excess oil can also increase crankcase pressure, pushing oil into the combustion chambers. This may result in blue smoke coming from the exhaust, a sign of combusted oil. Additionally, oil in the combustion chamber can coat the spark plugs, leading to fouling and engine misfires. The higher pressure in the crankcase can also damage seals and gaskets, causing oil leaks. If you notice any of these issues, it's important to address them promptly to avoid further damage to your engine. The most noticeable sign of overfilled engine oil is oil leaking onto the ground or blue smoke coming from the exhaust. You might also see a warning light on the dashboard. If you're unsure whether you or a mechanic added too much oil, watch for symptoms like oil leaks, a burning smell, smoke from the engine bay or exhaust, excessive engine noise, or the oil pressure light turning on. These signs could indicate that the oil level is too high and needs attention. To fix overfilled engine oil, you need to remove the excess. The simplest way is by draining it through the oil plug, which doesn't usually require special tools. This method involves locating the oil plug under the car, placing a container beneath it, and carefully loosening the plug to let some oil out. It's effective but can get messy, so be cautious. Another option is to use a suction pump, which allows you to remove oil through the dipstick tube without crawling under the car. However, this method requires a special pump and an air supply, which might not be worth the investment if you'll only use it occasionally. If you're not confident or comfortable with either method, it's a good idea to have a mechanic handle it for you. They can ensure the job is done cleanly and correctly. To drain oil through the oil plug, start by safely raising the car and securing it with jacks. If there's a cover under the engine, remove it to access the oil plug. Use a repair manual if you're unsure where the plug is located. Once you find it, carefully remove the drain plug and let the excess oil flow into a bucket. Typically, draining about 1 quart should suffice if you've overfilled. After draining, replace the oil plug and tighten it according to the specifications. Reattach the engine cover if it was removed and lower the car back to the ground. Start the engine and let it run for about 3 minutes, then turn it off. Wait 5 minutes before checking the oil level again to ensure it's at the correct mark. Hope this information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.